Okay, on today's video, I'm going to show you something pretty cool actually. So if you already have a Klaviyo account and maybe you closed down that store, but you've set up all your flows, you've set up all your emails, you've set up all your email templates and all that stuff, and you don't want to lose that, you can actually transfer and clone your emails, templates, and flows over to your new account. So what you'll need to do first is you'll need to log in. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. So you log into your account here, and I'm going to actually use this account here because that's the account that I want to. That's the account that I want to copy my flows from and over to. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to log into my Gmail really quick here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure that the account that you want to transfer it over to is added as a user on your account. Okay, so I actually do this. I'd actually do this on both accounts. So I'd add yourself as a user on the account that you want to transfer to, and I'd also add your primary account or the account that you're transferring from to the account that you're transferring to, just so that they're both added as users on there. So how you do that is you go over here to your user profile there, and you go to account, and then all you do is you'd go to settings and users, and then you'd want to add yourself as add your account email to the account that you want to transfer to as a user, and then like I said, go into your other account that you're transferring to and add yourself as add this your primary account as your user account. Okay, so now that you have added yourself as a user to both accounts, what you'll actually want to do is you'll want to log in with your information from the account you intend on using now. Okay, so in this instance, I'm logging into my new store account, and then under the drop down, you're going to see two different options here. So when you log into your present account that you're going to use now, there is going to be options for your current store and your past store. Okay, and you want to choose the past store where all of the existing flows happen to be. Okay, so in there you just choose your past store, and then you basically just go down the line. So when you see the edit flow button, you'll hit the right hand side and you'll hit clone. Okay, just like that, and then you'll see that and it'll say clone destination account, trigger checkout started. And you want to actually choose Clover, your new store, as your destination account. So you'll hit clone flow, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here and go to this one here. So this is my existing abandoned cart flow. So this is abandoned cart flow for existing customers that have already purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clone that as well. And I'm going to clone that to my Clover and Cloth store. And I'm going to clone that flow. All right, and I'm going to take my first time buyer sequence in there, and I'm going to clone that, and I'm going to go ahead and clone that to my Clover and Cloth store, and I'm going to hit clone flow. And I'm just going to go down the line and clone all of these, all the ones that I have set up. You can see here I have quite a few there. And then I have some more flows in there as well. So there's about 15, 20 flows there that would take me hours to set up, probably a couple days actually to set up, and I don't want to spend the time to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and obviously do that, and then I'll just have to change the emails within them so that they say, you know, my new store name and not my previous store name. Okay. So just to make sure that those took, I'm going to go ahead and go over to my Clover and Cloth store, and I'm going to go into my flows there, and you can see here that those have transferred over. So those are live now. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you are transferring accounts from one Klaviyo account to another, then that is an easy way to go ahead and transfer all of your accounts, all of your flows and emails into your new account.
Hey, Tanner Larson here, CEO of Build, Grow, Scale. And if you enjoyed the BGS video you just finished and you'd like to see about getting our help to help you build, grow, and scale your e-commerce business, then head over to workwithbgs.com.